it's hard to believe we were only 19 when we first met. From early on, I knew there was something special about you because every time we spent together, I felt like I had known you for years. You still have the ability to make me feel loved and safe. When I'm stressed out, you still make me laugh out loud and bring me back into the present moment. Throughout it all, I have been so happy to have you by my side. I admire the person you have become. I've watched you grow into a man, and I know you will be an amazing life partner. I love you, and I can't wait to marry you today.
Jenny, you are so smart and caring and adventurous, loving, confident, driven, and oh so positive. With you, I know I will always have an adventure partner, someone that can get me out of my comfort zone and push me to grow and try new things. I love how you support and encourage me, and you make me a better person each and every day. You're sure-footed in your decisions, you're confident, fiercely loyal to the people you love, and have the biggest heart. And I'm so happy that I get to be your forever partner. I love you.